Hi, Dr. Cranky's here. Hey, we've left these pumps out for you to use if you need to get your tyres pumped up. I'll show you quickly how to use them. There's two different types. There's this pump here, which has no gauge on it, and it's just got the one hole. And this type here, which has a gauge on it, and it's got a thing called a smart head on it. It's got two holes. But I'll show you how to use this one first. It stands upright, and if you've got a Schrader valve like this, which is like a bigger one, or a car valve, you've got to take that dust cap off. Take that dust cap off. Yep. And then this fits onto, and sometimes you have to push down if it's flat here, and then pull that lever back. Right, and then you can start pumping up. If you find that you can't, it's hard to pump, it means it's not engaged properly, so you might have to push that up further, but that's locked on, alright? Pump it up till, that's really hard to push with your finger, you can hardly move it with your thumb. Alright, and to release, you take it off and pull it off. If you lose this, don't worry, dust cap, it's only just to keep the dust out, it doesn't keep the air in. So that's with a Schrader valve. So here it is in close up. The valve head goes on here. Sometimes you have to push hard from below and then pull that up. Pull the lever up to lock. Yep, and then you can pump. And to release, like this. This one here, some road tyres have got presta valves on them. They look a bit different. So you take the dust cap off that, put it aside, and this rotates out. So this little bit here, you have to rotate it out, and that releases the air. If you've got this pump, then you need the adapter, which is sitting in here. Pull the adapter out, alright, and screw it onto this. Screw it onto the end. So we're screwing it onto the end. Oh. And that's a presta valve adapter. It's all the way in, and now we can use this. Oh. Goes on there. Oh. Goes on. Pull back. Pump, pump, pump. And this one you want a bit harder than the other one since there's not as much volume. Alright, but you want this really, really rock hard. Alright, release it. Take the dust cap off. Sorry, take the presta valve adapter off. Put that back in, wind that back in, put the dust cap back on. And remember, before you go away, leave that for the next person. So that goes down in here. Just goes into the valve. Yep. Also on this one, if you need to pump up your balls, there's a ball valve in another one. And that's done. That's how to use those pumps. Just remember to put them back as you found them. We've left them out just to help people get riding during COVID, get people on their bikes. So good luck.